welcome to today's video. So, I didn't quite, Bertie's at my slipper, I didn't quite know what we were going to do today, but I really wanted to get a video out. I've just had my eyebrows waxed and tinted. Very pleased with them. I thought we'd do like, you know, a transition, you know, dark lip into evening kind of thing, but also like show some Halloween-y bits as well. Is that something we want to do today? I don't know. It's impromptu. So, I'm wearing my new jumper, Sunday Club, Sweaty Betty leggings, enjoying, loving. I bought a gilet because I want to be like the cool kids, obviously. You know, because when you wear these big jumpers, you can't really get coat service, so the gilet is quite good. So I got one from New Look. Quite like it. It was on sale for £25, which actually I think is still quite a lot for New Look, is it? But still, it's good, it does the job. Anyway, I wanted to show you some Halloween-y bits that I got. Well, I got this for my birthday from my sister. This is called Halloween Scream Munch from M&S. And you get a mix of all these little things like chocolate-covered pretzels, popcorn, like little white chocolate balls, dark chocolate balls. Oh my gosh. So I'm saving this for probably Saturday's Strictly Halloween special. That's when I'll save that. Then I picked up these ghost marshmallows from Sainsbury's. How cute. They have so much Halloween-y stuff and I just love it. So that can be for my marshmallows. And that's the extent of my Halloween-y stuff that I've bought. Right. See, we've got issues now, haven't we? But there's a massive cloud coming, so I'm not too worried about it. Okay. So I just thought, let's do a bit of a catch-up of what's been going on this week, what's happening this week. Might do a dark lip and add some eye colour, you know, if you're just about to go out, something like that. I thought I'll do that. I'm going to do my nails on Friday. You know what? I'm thinking of doing red because cherry, this seems to be the trend at the moment, this cherry red. So I might go off-piste and do a bright cherry red, or I might just go for another brown because I'm loving the brown. So I haven't quite decided. I've also got a yoga class on Wednesday, which I'm really excited about because there's a place where I live that does all different like yoga, Pilates, and I was looking at the website on and off as I do. I'm like a silent like watcher. And they emailed me and said, do you want to try a free class? Choose a class that you want in any day that you want and come in and try it. So that's what I've done. So I'm trying that out. And we're back in the room. Oh, and I am aware that we missed Makeup Monday and Motivation. So I do need to do that. Remember I showed you a really good BareMinerals hack? I've got another BareMinerals hack for you, and it includes this brush with the original foundation. You are not going to want to miss it. Okay, I fancy doing a dark lip because Zoe Sugg did it the other day or yesterday, and I want to do it now. I was like, oh, I've got to do it, right? So you've got your makeup on already now, right? And you're going to go out in the evening, I don't know, pumpkin picking or for Halloween drinks. And you just want to like update your makeup. So this is something I would do, right? Because I am not going to take my makeup off and reapply it and all of that. I'm going to use Eyeshadow MAC Woodwinked and just get a little brush like this and just apply it over my lid. I've already got my liner on. I'm just applying it over my liner, can you see? Just like that. There we go. Might bring that up just a little bit. Like so. That's all I'm going to do. Mascara's already on. Then I'm going to go in with Charlotte Tilbury Festival Magic, which is a really dark berry shade. Okay, this is going to take me a while to apply. And there you have it. Day to night. Look in seconds. It just kind of changes the look a bit, doesn't it? You can put a gold shimmer on the eyelid. You can maybe make this a bit of a stain, blot a bit of tissue on, but it's quite a nice colour, isn't it, for autumn? So I quite like that. There we go, that's festival magic. So, there we go. Put your requests below of what you want to see. I'm so glad that you enjoyed my previous video and that was helpful to a lot of you. Someone has asked about other things that I have or haven't or had done. So I don't know if that's of any interest. It's not a lot really. I've mentioned it before, it's a bit of Botox here and there, which I haven't done for ages. But if you want me to elaborate on that, I can. Like what I would never do, for example, what I might want to do, you know. So I hope you're well. I hope you're having a great spooky week, you know, because it's Halloween. And I shall chat to you soon. Bye.